UK-based BEAVERFIT is well known for its container gyms, popular with both civilians and military personnel. In fact, BEAVERFIT's US branch is the top supplier of fitness equipment to the US military. One of their standout products is the Range Locker, a modular system designed to enhance media and long-range shooting skills. The Range Locker container is fitted with inserts featuring various openings to mimic doors and windows, and these inserts can be rearranged, allowing users to create unique shooting scenarios limited only by their imagination. This adaptability makes Range Lockers a favorite for immersive training. Another valuable training tool from BEAVERFIT, this spring-loaded platform adds a challenging element to shooting practice by creating instability. Using it highlights key aspects of a shooter's technique, from grip and stance to trigger control and breathing. By working through these challenges, shooters can make gradual improvements, developing more precise skills under less than ideal conditions. This platform is especially effective when paired with the Range Locker setup. Though the Leopard 2A4 tank is no longer in use in Germany, it's still operational in many countries, from Canada to Indonesia, keeping the SJCL 6P simulator in high demand. This simulator is designed for tank drivers and allows them to modify settings like weather and time of day for a realistic experience. The simulator sits on a platform with 6 degrees of freedom, replicating the feel of real tank movement. Equipped with NATO-compliant communication tools, instructors can monitor and direct drivers' actions throughout training sessions, creating realistic practice scenarios for multiple drivers. For a practical add-on, Kastinger offers brass catchers, each with unique features for different needs. The first is 3D printed with the same material as riot shields and includes a swappable fabric section for flexibility. Another model is specifically made for the Heckler & Koch 416 rifle and holds up to 30 casings. It even has a zipper for quick case ejection and reduces gas buildup during firing. These brass catchers are also great for preventing spent cartridges from being collected by others, making them both practical and secure. British company Leonardo recently showcased BRITESTORM, its latest electronic warfare system, at the Association of the United States Army annual meeting in Washington, D.C. The Royal Air Force has already started testing this compact yet powerful system, which weighs only 2.5 kilograms. BRITESTORM can be fitted onto UAVs, offering electronic jamming, decoy signals, and false target capabilities. With DRFM technology, it can detect, process, and bounce back enemy radar pulses, creating an effective defense. This smart system even selects the best countermeasures automatically, making it a highly adaptable tool in electronic warfare. Boeing recently unveiled a pre-production model of the MQ-25, an unmanned refueling drone expected to enter service within the next 2 years. Designed to carry 6,800 kilograms of fuel and with a range of 926 kilometers, the MQ-25 uses a hose cone refueling system that's compact enough for its role as a deck-based aircraft. Additionally, the MQ-25 includes advanced navigation and communication systems, enabling it to interact with both airborne and ground vehicles. Beyond refueling, the MQ-25's capability as an unmanned aerial vehicle expands operational flexibility, marking a significant advancement in support technology. ELBIT Systems, an Israeli defense technology company, recently introduced TRIDENT, a modular and lightweight target detection system aimed at enhancing reconnaissance and fire support missions for short and medium-range operations. TRIDENT leverages AI algorithms to quickly process and deliver sensor information to operators, which can be up to 100 meters away. Designed for both day and night target detection, it can function as a standalone device or be seamlessly integrated into other systems, offering flexibility for various mission setups. The Trophy Active Protection System has been evolving for nearly 25 years, becoming one of the most advanced defense systems around. It received a notable upgrade in 2021 with the addition of all-around advanced electro-optical systems, enhancing its interception rate to over 90% in testing. Trophy is designed for tanks like the Merkava 4 and M1A2 Abrams, as well as the name APC. The system works by using radar to detect incoming threats, sending data to a computer that launches interceptive projectiles, all while offering insight into the enemy's firing position. From the U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory comes MUTANT, a highly maneuverable rocket that can adjust its path mid-flight. The unique aspect of MUTANT is its articulated forebody, allowing it to change its course by shifting the angle of its fragments to follow moving targets accurately. This innovative concept, initially explored in the 1950s, faced technical challenges but is now ready for action, potentially opening a new era for smart missiles. The Xaver LR-80, a powerful wall-penetrating radar system, allows operators to detect movement through walls at distances over 100 meters. Weighing 19.5 kilograms, it is managed by a single person and displays data on a 10-inch tablet for straightforward use. The LR-80 tracks both stationary and moving targets, calculates distances, and can record data for up to 12 hours, making it useful in diverse environments, from urban landscapes to rural settings. French company RTSYS specializes in sonar and underwater unmanned vehicles, helping to address underwater threats like unexploded ordnance and mine clearance. One standout product, the SONADIVE handheld sonar, doubles as a navigation system and has a 12-inch display. When configured correctly, two SONADIVE units can communicate up to 5 kilometers apart, and the autonomous Comet MCM systems can navigate underwater at speeds of up to 18.5 kilometers per hour, equipped with HD cameras and sonar. These systems make underwater operations efficient and precise. The InVeris FATS 100 MIL simulator is a cutting-edge training tool for military personnel, allowing up to 15 participants to train simultaneously. It comes with 60 patented Blue Fire wireless weapons, enabling instructors to track details like trigger pull and grip pressure. With over 9,000 3D models and various customizable scenarios, it offers photorealistic landscapes that make training more immersive. Additionally, the system's advanced machine learning helps instructors quickly interpret performance data without the need for extensive manual analysis, streamlining the training process. Meet the BIZON UGV, a multipurpose vehicle capable of carrying up to 4 tons of cargo. Equipped with autopilot and an obstacle detection module, it also has a landing pad for UAVs. Ideal for border patrol or firefighting, it runs on 2 electric motors delivering a combined 20 kilowatts of power. BIZON can operate remotely from 30 kilometers away and lasts up to 8 hours per charge. Initially designed for both civilian and military applications, it's a versatile asset that can support diverse operational needs. Turkish defense company SEKIZ ALTMIS technology has introduced the MS-23, a portable drone jammer designed as a backpack. Weighing 18 kilograms, this jammer can be carried by one person or mounted on a tripod for stationary use. Operating on S and L bands, the MS-23 delivers 3 to 100 watts of adjustable power. This tool is especially timely, as the drone market is projected to grow significantly in the coming years. With its compact design, it's suitable for a wide range of field missions. The CM-8M gas mask by MIRA Safety is a highly rated tactical respirator used by government agencies worldwide, including the Turkish and South African foreign ministries and the US and Czech defense ministries. Priced at $325, this full-face mask provides defense against chemical, biological, and even nuclear threats, with a 30-hour protection window against mustard gas. Its 20-year shelf life and compatibility with 40mm NATO standard cartridges make it a solid long-term investment. The mask also accommodates telescopic sights, thermal imaging, and night vision devices, and works with one cartridge on either side for flexibility. Mustang Survival's RTSYS life jackets are built with Special Operations Forces in mind. These self-inflating vests are among the smallest on the market, weighing just 450 grams, making them easy to carry without obstructing other equipment. The RTSYS BCD provides 18 kilograms of buoyancy and activates based on depth, time in water, or both. This compact, intelligent system prioritizes mobility and safety in challenging water environments. The SMASH 3000 fire control system is an advanced targeting aid that, when attached to small arms, can take down drones from up to 100 meters with precision. For larger targets, the range extends to 250 meters, allowing accurate shots even in crowded or obstructed spaces. With a 640x480 pixel resolution screen, the system works effectively in day or night settings, although it does add 740 grams to the weapon's weight. In addition to marking the aiming point, SMASH 3000 can also lock onto and track moving targets, following them in real time across complex terrain. ZODIAC MILPRO, based in Paris, specializes in creating inflatable boats for both civilian and military use. Known for their FC series, a go-to choice for special forces, their HELIDROP FC470 model is a standout. It can be deployed directly from a helicopter and is operational within just 3 minutes. Weighing 146 kilograms, it can support up to 1,250 kilograms and carry 10 people. The Evo 7 version offers even more, with high-pressure floors and compatibility with an outboard motor of up to 55 horsepower. It's a versatile, reliable choice for rapid deployment in critical situations. The Shadow S3, developed by ZIYAN, is a helicopter-style patrol drone that packs into a backpack when disassembled. Once set up, it can reach speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour and stay airborne for 100 minutes on one charge. Built to handle harsh conditions, it withstands winds up to 17 meters per second and has an IP55 protection rating, making it suitable for dusty or rainy environments. Equipped with a spotlight and camera with computer vision, the Shadow S3 is perfect for professionals like oil workers and rescue teams who often operate in challenging weather. Originating from Finland, the versatile COM7 container can transform into a warehouse, control room, or shelter based on customer needs. This 6-meter container can be delivered with ease on standard trailers and set up by one person in just 10 to 15 minutes. With an internal power supply supporting up to 4 hours of independent operation, the COM7 provides 35 square meters of usable space, comfortably housing teams of 8 to 10 people. Security features are tailored to customer requirements, making it ideal for a variety of remote and urban applications. The Polaris HOBIT is not a Tolkien tale but an anti-drone system that includes the D1 Pro detector and P1 Pro jammer. The D1 Pro detects drones within a 1 kilometer range, tracking their path and categorizing them by type. With this information, users can activate the P1 Pro jammer, which creates a disruption bubble up to 2 kilometers wide. The P1 Pro is lightweight at just 4 kilograms and customizable, supporting frequencies like 900 MHz and 2.4 GHz together. The D1 and P1 create a compact, user-friendly solution for intercepting drones, even for those with no prior experience. Designed for the U.S. Marine Corps, Anduril's Bolt series of drones is equipped with advanced AI, enabling them to handle a range of tasks. The standard Bolt focuses on reconnaissance, while the Bolt M is a kamikaze model carrying a 1.3 kilograms payload. Weighing around 7 kilograms, each Bolt drone can be hand-launched, staying airborne for about 40 minutes and covering distances up to 20 kilometers. Its computer vision and machine learning capabilities allow precise tracking and strike options, including a vertical dive attack, making it a powerful addition to military operations.